My dear friends, today I will show you a phacoemulsification surgery of grade 4 to 5 nuclear sclerosis patients. After making the both side port, inject 0.6% trypan blue dye and after 6 to 10 seconds wash it thoroughly. Then inject 2% hydroxypropyl methylcellulose. Spread some HPMC over the corneal surface and now start the continuous curvilinear capsular axis by using 26 gauge bend tip needle. This is freshly prepared cystitome. Do the axis like this of about 5.5 to 6 millimeter size. Then inject HPMC and make a main port. While making the main port, first make a stretch incision, then insert the keratome about 1.5 to 2 millimeter intrastromally and then dip the tip of the keratome towards the center of the cataract and insert it. Thus, we can make a triplanar incision. And after making the main port, do the hydro procedures and then inject HPMC. Now rotate the nucleus. Nucleus rotation is must for the beginners. Now, this is the right time to start the phacoemulsification surgery. At this time, go to the US1 mode, emulsify some superficial cortex and make a trench like this. After making the trench of sufficient depth, rotate the nucleus and go to the US2 mode and start the chopping. Embed the tip of the phaco tip, hold the nucleus, create some vacuum and then chop the nucleus like this. Make multiple chops as much as possible. Go to the US3 mode, lift the one piece of nucleus and then bring it in the center and start emulsification. Emulsify every piece one by one. I will again say you that don't waste the phaco energy unnecessary in the anterior chamber. It may lead to endothelial damage. Try to engulf the small pieces of the nucleus by using vacuum. Keep your phaco tip at the center of the pupil. Don't go in the periphery. Bring the small pieces from periphery towards the center and then emulsify it. Now after emulsifying all pieces, go to the US4 mode, that is epinucleus mode, and emulsify the epinucleus. At this time, I am emulsifying the epinucleus. After emulsifying the nucleus, inject some HPMC and then do the cortical cleanup by using irrigation aspiration synco cannula. You can use bimanual cannula for removal of the cortex. Subincisional cortex can be removed from right side port. See how I am removing this subincisional cortex. After removing the cortex, do the hydropolish and then inject HPMC. Spread some HPMC over the corneal surface and now implant the intraocular lens. First implant the leading haptics in the bag and then dial the trailing haptics with the use of dialer from right side port. Now lens is in the bag. Then wash the entire HPMC from the AC and from the back of the intraocular lens also. Don't leave HPMC in the anterior chamber or at the back of the lens. After Removing the HPMC, inject some pilocarpine intracamerally and then wash it. Then inject the preservative-free moxifloxacin 0.1 ml and then hydrate the wound. And then wash the anterior chamber. Thus, this is a modified direct chop technique in hard cataract. Check the wound and thus surgery is concluded. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please, your suggestions are always welcome.